sorting your product attributes is important in order to give your customers a better browsing experience. That's why, in this video, we'll show you how to sort hundreds of product attributes using an intuitive spreadsheet that perfectly complements the simple taxonomy ordering plugin. You will no longer have to sort them one by one manually, but will do it automatically so that the categories appear organized on your website. This spreadsheet is available thanks to the Taxonomy Terms Spreadsheet plugin, which allows you to easily manage categories, tags, attributes, and any other taxonomy, as it has a useful bulk editing and a search tool. It also allows you to import and export hundreds of items in a matter of minutes. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you'll find the link to our written guide. The first thing to do is to edit the default sort order field of the attribute to be sorted. For example, we'll sort the color attribute. So we have to go to the color product attribute in WooCommerce and click on Edit. Then, select this option. And update the attribute. If you want to edit other attributes like sizes or any other custom attributes, you need to change the default sort order for all of them. To do this, open the Taxonomy Terms Spreadsheet plugin. And select Edit WooCommerce Attributes to open the Global Attribute spreadsheet. Now go to the default sort column. Enter this option and drag to change the default sort order for all product attributes. Finally, save the changes. The Taxonomy Terms plugin creates a spreadsheet for every taxonomy you have on your WordPress site. For example, you'll have a spreadsheet for post categories and a spreadsheet for product categories, a spreadsheet for product colors, a spreadsheet for product sizes, and so on. In this case, we'll open the product color spreadsheet, but you can open the one you need. Here you can see that all color terms are shown in the spreadsheet as rows, and all fields are shown as columns. Now, let's see how to sort the product colors using the spreadsheet. For this, we'll go to the Order column, which is a column added by the Simple Taxonomy Order plugin. In this column, we need to add the numbers to set the position to which the categories will be moved. In this case, we will start from 1 and so on to the last color. Once you're done, save the changes. Once you organize or reorder the attributes, the order in which your customers will see the attributes in the front end will be according to the order you select. As you can see, with the Taxonomy Terms Spreadsheet plugin, you don't have to worry about having to sort hundreds of attributes manually and waste time, as you can easily do it with a few clicks. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, and the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.